LinkedIn Live event, and thank you all for attending. And as a thank you for attending, for everyone who will sign up for Cohort 7, we have special gift for you. So don't miss out and stay with us till the end. So you will have a chance to receive it. My name is Oksana Vodonos, and I'm a program manager at 3x Capital, and I'm managing educational programs that we provided. And today it's my pleasure to share with you our news about the Cohort 7, and happy to introduce you our mentors. So let's start. Talking about 3x Capital, we are a digital assets investment and advisory firm that focuses on early stage Web3 ventures. And we have 3x Education as a part of our ecosystem. So 3x Education is a comprehensive six-week program to learn proven frameworks, strategies, and tools for Web3 investments. Regarding 3x Capital track of record, we invested from 2017, and right now we have 47 portfolio companies, have done 25 exits. So please go to our website, check our portfolio, and we are happy to share our insights from years of experience in the market, and happy to acknowledge you and to help you to join the Web3 investment space. We are organizing Web3 Startups Analytics program, and currently we are almost finishing the cohort 6, and we are launching cohort 7 soon. And this program is a hands-on 6 weeks program to learn and implement proven frameworks, strategies, and tools for Web3 investments. And now you can see the photo from our lecture with our participants in a metaverse space. So during the program, you will also have a chance to touch Web3 experience, and we are happy to implement those technologies in EdTech. We already connected more than 100 people, really bright Web3 enthusiasts in the space. We also connect them all in one community where we continuously sharing insights, communicate, and just network. We also spend more than 500 hours in Metaverse, so we can definitely say that we are Web3 professionals, and we organized 6 cohorts for this community. And happy to invite you all to join the next cohort to become a part of this movement. And talking about the program, I'm happy to announce some news for the cohort 7. And we managed to build a really intensive program. And currently, we are sharing the program curriculum and organizing for 6 weeks. And during this 6 weeks, you will work with one startup from our pipeline. You will implement all strategies, all tools, and all knowledge that we are sharing during the program. So it will be hands-on experience. You will have lots of lectures with leading experts. You will have peer-to-peer sessions, portfolio research meetings, and individual mentorships with our journal partners and senior investment analysts. And as a bonus for you, 2 lectures about really valuable topics, which we will share with you just in a minute. Location, we're still using Metaverse as a space to learn. We really like this experience, and we know that our participants enjoy it a lot, the Metaverse space. So we are happy to invite you there. It will be a closed Metaverse space where you can touch Metaverse experience and communicate with everyone, being in different locations worldwide, but feeling that you are in one space and just feel this vibe of innovation. Also, we organize and use study space for cohort 7, so you will have even better learning experience, tracking, and gamification. So I believe it will be definitely something that you guys looking for. And happy to announce that we have limited spots available for individual mentorship from our general partners. So hurry up. The space are limited, and we are happy to invite the best Web3 professionals to join the individual mentorships. During the 6 weeks, we will cover really crucial and important topics for Web3 investment analysts and for angel investors who want to know how to analyze early stage startups. So we will cover evaluation processes in Web3 VC fund. So you will know everything about starting from deal sourcing to due diligence and final investment decision. Also, we will cover equity and token investments. So you will know more about the details on these two types of investments. We will cover startups evaluation, so how much your startup cost and how to make a proper investment decision based on this. Deal memo preparation, so as a main analytical document based on which you will make your investment decision. You will know all secrets and which tools you need to use in order to build really well qualified the memo document. Market assessment and what are the top niches right now to invest? What do we need to know about the market before the investment decision? Tokenomics discovery, so how to evaluate the tokenomics and when the tokenomics is needed for the investment. So you will know everything about it. And really crucial parts about the startup evaluation, it's community and team. As you know, community is crucial in Web3 world, so we will share our insights and knowledge how to avoid scams, how to identify red flags, and how to find the best teams where you need to invest. And as I mentioned before, 2 bonus lectures about the usage of AI in Web3 VC. So, how you can use your time more effective using artificial intelligence. And the second bonus lecture is legal aspects of Web3 investment. So, we're happy to invite leading experts to the program to share the knowledge with you guys to help you to grow in a Web3 space. And my pleasure to introduce you today our mentors and partners who are involved into this unique program. Ivan Maltsev, Dima Foremnyi, Taras Yavorskyy, and Petro Yanytskyi. You will have a chance to hear from them today, and we are also happy to have with us really strong partners at the space who are supporting us, sharing their insights, and promote the program at their communities. So it's my pleasure to invite our expert, Ivan Maltsev, General Partner of 3X Capital, to the stage.
Thank you, Oksana. Great to be here. Hello, everyone. My name is Ivan Maltsev, and I'm a mentor at 3X Education. During the program, usually I organize 2 lectures. The first one is dedicated to the tokenomics, and the second one is regarding the portfolio management. So just today, we received a great feedback from the participants regarding the lecture that we organized for the 6th cohort. Speaking about my personal experience, I started to invest in crypto in 2016. Since 2017, I'm working full-time in this market. I started as an investment analyst, then grew up to a portfolio manager, and starting from 2017, I'm actively investing in the early stage. I did 45 investments with my partners and alone. And also, I studied a lot in the European University. I received a PhD degree in international economy. So thank you, Oksana. I invite everyone to join the program. I feel that you will receive a lot of insights from that we provide.
Yeah, thank you, Ivan. Dima, it's my pleasure to invite you to the stage. Welcome, Dima Foremnyi, General Partner of 3X Capital.
Me. Hi, everybody. Thanks a lot, Oksana, for the introduction. It was a really nice overview of the program. So a few words about myself. I used to be a lawyer, worked as a lawyer both in Ukraine, but then I moved to the Netherlands, lived here for a couple of years, was a lawyer in multinationals, in a law firm, and I always was fascinated with startups and with innovations. Worked on the legal side and investment side. of this, and then I decided that I want to move full-time into this space. So what I did, I started a business accelerator myself, and I was running the business accelerator for 6 years. And during these 6 years, I had a wonderful experience of working with more than 100 startups, helping them to fundraise, to build their decks, their business models, and just to improve the dynamics of their startups. So after that, I've met Ivan and Taras in 2020, and we started 3x Capital. And I have different experience, which lies into organizing different pitch events, hackathons, which were organized by the legal hackers community, which I was co-organizer. And I also quite early started to be interested in the blockchain and crypto. I wrote my first article about blockchain and its legal aspects in 2016. You can go to LinkedIn to my page and read this article. I would be happy to discuss it with you. So that's in short about me and my background, how I got involved into startups, and how I got involved into crypto. During the program, I will be covering three major aspects, which are really, really crucial for startups, but also for investors. First of all, types of investments. As you know, in blockchain, we can invest not only in equity, but we can also invest in tokens. We would use different strategies. You can invest in equity and have token warrant to buy some tokens with discount in the future. You can invest only in tokens. You have different legal documents like simple agreement for future equity, simple agreement for future tokens. You can have token warrants. So there are different mixes of approaches how to invest. So it's even different from the standard startup investment approaches. So we're going to be discussing these new approaches for Web3 startup investments in real details. You'll get templates of documents. You'll go through them. You can analyze real startups and real documents that people are using, not just theory, let's say. Then startup stages and startup valuation. So we're working with different stages, and it's important to understand what is the stage of the startup, what are important factors and indicators of each stage, and therefore what kind of valuations you can expect. Valuation is number one important thing that influences the return on investments that the investor will get. But it also influences how startup will succeed in the fundraising, in his or her fundraising efforts. So some startups like to, come up with valuations out of blue, and actual investors never like it. You would like to be based on numbers, and in order to provide for this, we will learn 10 methods to evaluate startups. We're gonna use scorecard valuation method. We'll go through venture capital method, Berkus method, cost to duplicate. We can check and test valuation based on EBITDA, and a few different other methods that could be used. And we'll discuss three core methods, and you'll test them yourself. You'll try to evaluate startups that we have in our pipeline. It will give you understanding both from the startup side, but also from the investor side, how to make meaningful valuation that will bring value to the startup and to investors, and make it fair. So that's in short these three topics that I would like to discuss with you, starting cohort 7. So thanks a lot. I'm waiting for you to discuss it in details. I think this discussion will be valuable both for beginners, but also for experienced people in the Web3. I think there's a lot to learn from each other. So happy to see you in the cohort 7. Thank you, Oksana.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Dima.
Dima.
Always
Always
enjoy
enjoy
about
startup.
And I
And
want
I
to
want to
Taras, your
Taras, your
first
first
partner.
partner.
Okay, hello.
Hi, everyone. Happy to see you today on our meeting and hope you will join our cohort. Feel free to ask questions in our previous participants, add them on LinkedIn, and probably they will give you a better understanding how it can give you value in your future career and in terms of valuation of deals, how you can provide deal sourcing. Shortly about my background. So I started the first company in 2016. It was market research company where we work with brands like Massimo Dutti, Bershka, BMW. And then in 2018, I launched a company providing IT managed services across the Europe and North America. So in 2021, decided to exit and to start a cooperation with Dima and Ivan. It's how Strix Capital was launched back to that times. Right now, I'm actively investing in pre-seed, seed stage startups together with my partners. And during our cohort 8, we will work together with you on 3 topics. So first one is team assessment. I believe it's really important for you to understand how to evaluate team, how it's better to check founders, a core team member like CTO. Is it possible for this team to deliver and successfully launch the startup to go through all stages from pre-product up to Series A, Series B, and to do successfully an IPO or to do an exit on later stages. Second topic we'll discuss with you is, of course, backers overview. So in all startup system, it's important to get strong backers that will not provide just capital to your fund, but at the same time, as they can help you with network, maybe some advisory services, etc. So we will review different type of backers, starting from top tier venture funds like Sequoia Capital, Pantera, A16Z, and others, up to tier 3, tier 4 backers. And the last one, but I believe it's also a really important topic to discuss with you, it's fundraising and deal sourcing. So how to attract capital, starting from doing proper white paper, pitch deck, and after that, how can you find LPs to your startup who can invest and to help you to build successfully your company on different stages. Of course, another topic we will discuss is deal sourcing. So how can you find proper deals on early stage, how you can probably source them to venture funds and also earn some interest from it. Those 3 topics I mentioned to you, we will be covering through cohort 8 with you. So feel free to ask any additional questions on LinkedIn or in Telegram, and hopefully we will meet with you really soon. Thanks again, and Oksana, giving the floor back to you.
Thank you, Taras. Happy to see you with us. And I believe you're covering really crucial topics for the investment analysts and for angel investors. Thank you for joining us. And it's my pleasure to invite Petro Yanytskyi, Senior Investment Analyst at Strix Capital.
Yes, I'm here. Thank you, Oksana. Hi, everyone. Really glad that you joined us and listening about our education right now. I will be the last mentor for today. My name is Petro. I'm a senior analyst at Strix Capital. I came to the market of crypto, to Web3 market in 2019. Started from investing, did some successful cases, but also lost a bit of money and a bit of my hair, and my hair grown back, and everything is all right. I'm still in the market. I can say it was a fascinating journey, and we are expecting that the journey ahead us will be even more fun. Before joining Strix Capital and before entering a crypto space, I was working with government on data analysis project. we built a really crucial tool to make access to big data, and it gave me the understanding and it gave me the experience of how big data is structured. So right now I'm more able to interact with various protocols. I understand how they are written. That's why I can say I am kind of crypto native, and I have dozens of different wallets using and interacting with different protocols and networks. That's why I'm happy to share this knowledge with you and show how everything is working, how everything is structured in this industry, and do some great stuff together with you. And in short, that was about me, and wanted also to share the topics that I will be covering during the educational program. So at first, we will start with understanding different niches in Web3, because there are a lot of various directions where projects are building. In example, you can think about infrastructure, which is a core for everything, where different blockchains are built and tools that can be used for scaling. And also, apart from big, well-known niche, we will look at some small or trending niche that are growing in adoption. We will try to understand and predict the trend for next market cycle, and you will have the better understanding how trends are building in crypto. Moving with the next topic, we will try to understand how VCs from the one side, but from the other side, how startups are trying to assess the market size. We will look into different metrics like TAM, SAM, SOM, and you will understand how these metrics are calculated and how you can look at the startup, look at the industry, and see what is the potential, what is like the highest limit the project can achieve in different metrics. And it's proven to be very useful because you should be able to understand how big the project can become in the future, and then you can link this to the current valuation and current metrics of the project. And last but not least, as Oksana mentioned, the community is a backbone of the crypto, backbone of a lot of Web3 startups, and having the ability and the knowledge to analyze the community, analyze the engagement, the state of the community, like the number of different bots. It really helps you to see if there is like a true adoption of this project. Is there a chance that these community members will become project clients or users in the future? Are they will be converted to be a paying clients and bringing more and more revenue to the project? So looking from various aspects, community is very crucial, and you need to know how to analyze it, which tools to use, and how to differentiate one good community from a bad another. And I will be glad to share all these insights and knowledge with you, and happy to invite you to join our cohort and work together. Thank you, Oksana.
Yeah, thank you, Petro. I want to highlight that Petro was participant of the first cohort of the program, and I'm also happy to share that I was a participant of the second cohort of the Web3 Investment Analyst program. So here we are really happy to invite more talented people to join 3x Capital team. And yeah, it's our pleasure to have really a strong team with us, and part of the team are past participants of the program. Yeah, so thank you, Petro, for joining us today, and see you in the cohort 7. All right, so I don't know, guys, what about you, but I cannot wait to start cohort 7. And here we have 3 opportunities to join, and it's now even easier than it was before. So feel free to apply for basic, standard, and premium passes to join the Cohort 7. And as I mentioned at the beginning, we have a special gift for you. So if you're ready to dive deeper into the world of Web3 investments, now is the best time. And sign up for Cohort 7 by the end of today, and we will be happy to complimentary give a 30 minutes consultation with one of our experts. And we believe that the program can be life-changeable for you. We are happy to connect you with Web3 professionals, with top partners, and share our knowledge about the market. If you have any questions about the program, feel free to write to the chat. I'm happy to answer them. And do not hesitate to contact anyone from our team. So we will be happy to provide you with an answer. Also, I'm happy to speak with you and organize one-to-one meeting so we can discuss your questions individually. And I believe it's a great time to check our chat and answer all the questions you may have. Oh, happy to see with us Chris today, the participants of Cohort 6. And I believe Chris can also share his experience participating in Cohort 6 of Investment Analyst program. And I really encourage you to check Chris' LinkedIn page. He's sharing a lot of insights from the lectures from the program. So we're happy to have with us really active participants who are sharing a lot of educational materials with their followers. And happy to hear Monica from Cohort 5. All right, so guys, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask them. Feel free to write to me or for anyone from our team. We are always happy to discuss your questions and provide you with needed information. Once again, for everyone who will join the Web3 revolution till the end of today, we are happy to provide complimentary 30 minutes consultations with our experts, and looking forward to working with you during the Cohort 7. And let's change the Web3 world together. Cheers.